Yo guys, what's up? Welcome in a new video, and in today's video we are really going to have a look at the shorter term time frame of Bitcoin while looking at a different chart. And it's very interesting, guys. It's really interesting because this chart is basically predicting that Bitcoin will see another push or pump to the upside, and I will show you exactly how this works, how this chart can predict it. But before I'm going to show you that, guys, you of course have to scroll below this video and you gotta smash up the like button, guys. That is very much appreciated. And I want to start off with going to the daily time frame, and I'm going to get rid of the momentum indicators because I just want to show you a little bit the structure right here, give you a little bit of background information. But the ones that are looking at this channel would already know that. The new people, they might need some more information. So if you are new right here, make sure to subscribe down below. We are always doing analysis in a slightly different way. That is why we have an edge against other analysts, because we're just looking at different data sets. So what we are seeing right here, guys, is the stablecoin dominance, which basically means that when this chart is going up, Bitcoin is going down, and when this chart is going down, Bitcoin is going up. And as you can see, we are at a very interesting stage because we have a uptrend for 4 years, and we are right now getting to a support level of that. So that we will come to some crossroads where it is either a make or break, or this thing will break or this thing will pump. Right, and this will determine what's going to happen with Bitcoin. But we can also have a look at the shorter term time frame. So first we go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is looking bearish. Right, we have the uptrend in the MACD, looks like it's getting broken right now. Uptrend in the relative strength index, we already broke, but we do only have 2 touches, so take that in mind. Then I want to bring you to the 4-hour time frame, and let's get rid of these drawings right here from the daily because they block a little bit the view. I can make it a little bit bigger. And what we can see right here, we are in a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour EMA ribbon is acting as resistance. So right now it's also acting as resistance. We still haven't been able to break above it. So what we are going to see right now, is that the EMA ribbon is starting to come down, as you see right here. The price, not the price, but the stablecoin dominance will probably get rejected from this level. I'm going to show you the support level as well. We can already see that in the momentum indicators, this is trending higher than the actual chart. The chart is just going sideways while the momentum indicators go up. Those are early signs of a retracement. So this is not too bullish, but there is an invalidation too, which is very important as well. But we most likely go sideways, and then we're going to break down, have a continuation of this move down, which will equal in mathematicians way, which will equal that the Bitcoin price is going to go up. So let me show you the structure that we can look at here. We have kind of a, what is it? Maybe a bear flag formation, or we can look at from this perspective. We could also draw it slightly different. You get the point, right? We at least getting squeezed between this uptrending support and the EMA ribbon. And this breakout is going to be crucial, because if the price were to go like this would be very bearish for Bitcoin. This would indicate, okay, we might get a correction in Bitcoin. At least a small short correction, right? But if we do something else, if we go like this, and we lose that support, and we do see the bearish cross on the MACD losing that uptrending support, and we do see in the relative strength index that we lose that uptrend in support on the 4-hour time frame, then that is all confirming that Bitcoin is going to make another push to the upside. How high that push is going to be? Well, this is a drop of, this is not a big of a drop, but this is enough to bring Bitcoin to $34,000. Small move in this chart can be a big move in Bitcoin. But then comes the most interesting thing, at least the thing that I'm interested in, is that once we go down right here, what are we going to do at that support? Are we going to see a massive bullish divergence, higher with a higher low in the relative strength index, higher low in the MACD, with a lower low in the price, and we just go up again at the support? Because of course that would generally make the most sense, but how can that happen if Bitcoin is really in a bull market? So if we were to bounce from these levels, we're going to see a correction in Bitcoin, probably at least a multi-week correction, but maybe even a multi-month correction. That's at least what I think. But yeah, that still has to be unfolded. That has yet to be told, right? That's not clear. Right now, we can just look at the shorter term time frame, see how this scenario unfolds, whether we bounce from this level, whether we break it. But it looks like right now that probability-wise, because that's what trading is, it's all about probabilities. Probability-wise, it looks like that we could see a breakout in this chart very, very soon, and that the chances that the breakout is to the downside is more likely, which means Bitcoin will go up. But the invalidation would be when the EMA ribbon comes down and we get a break above it. I would definitely see that as a less likely scenario, but nevertheless is definitely possible. So if we do get supported from that support, then what I think is important, or what we could maybe compare it with, is with what we have seen in 2019, where Bitcoin had a massive rally from 3,000 to 13,000 or 14,000 US dollars. Let me scroll back to that if my laptop allows me, guys. But what we have seen is that the start of the previous bull market was actually with a rally from 3 to 13,000. Of course, that was a bigger increase in terms of doubling the price, right? There was almost a little bit over a 4x. Right now, that's more difficult because there's more liquidity in this asset, so it's more difficult to get the similar gains as return, but that could be a possibility. It's also a possibility we just blast through it and we enter that 16-year cycle. We just very bullish 2023, but that's only possible when we lose the structure in stablecoin dominance. I don't see a possibility where this continues to trade in this rising channel and Bitcoin going into a bull market. I just don't see that possibility. It's not possible. So yeah, guys, that is what I think is very important right now. That is also why this is predicting soon, most likely a pump in the Bitcoin price, but invalidation is break above the EMA ribbon. So watch this chart very, very closely. I'm going to make some alerts for this chart as well, and that will be posted over on WhaleAlerts. So if you want to join WhaleAlerts, make sure to do so with signing up on one of these exchanges down below this video. You can either go on BitGet, you can go on Bybit. Both are very good. Both have very high liquidity. Only on Bybit you need to have a KYC verification. That one you don't need on BitGet, right? They both have also very nice bonuses if you join with the affiliate link down below. And if you want to come to WhaleAlerts, just go to whaleportal.com, go to WhaleAlerts, submit your user ID right there, and I will put you into the channel. Guys, thank you all for watching. I hope it is as sunny at your location as how it's sunny right here in the Netherlands. It's beautiful. I wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.